National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Steuben County in northeastern Indiana, northeastern Noble County in northeastern Indiana, northwestern DeKalb County in northeastern Indiana, southeastern LaGrange County in northeastern Indiana, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Waterloo, or 8 miles northeast of Kendallville, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Ashley, Hudson, Steubenville, and Pleasant Lake. Hazard, 3-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Angola, Waterloo, Hamilton, Ashley, Hudson, Flint, Alvarado, Fairfield Center, Lake Gage, Nevada Mills, Pleasant Lake, Hamilton Lake, Golden Lake, Big Long Lake, Salem Center, Elmer, Metz, Sedan, Big Turkey Lake, and Stroh. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 333 and 356. Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 138 and 144, between mile markers 146 and 150, and between mile markers 152 and 156. Interstate 80 in Ohio near mile marker 0. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern Indiana. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time